very interesting specialty speech, which was an impromptu speech. Now that falling in the category of prepared speeches, it's almost like an oxymoron. How do you do a prepared impromptu speech? But then if somebody can pull it off, it is the lady who's sitting back there. But how well she pulled it off is something that I shall be telling you about. An impromptu speech by its nature is going to be something that where you get no notice, no rehearsal. And coming from the Toastmasters background, you don't want to look bad on stage. You want people to be impressed. Well, you're supposed to be a Toastmaster, not just some jack of Jill walking on the road who was asked to give a speech. So in that backdrop, our speaker got to the stage and took us through a very interesting tale of her own life. Now, what were the things that the speaker did well in this endeavor? For a good impromptu speech, it's advised to organize your thoughts well in your head, not be all confused and hassled. And what better way to do it than think about your own life and whether the topic applies to you. I mean, you are organized in your mind about what has happened in your life where you are hopefully planning to take it. And that was well done. There are various resources that you can look at when you're talking impromptu. You've got the internet, you've got newspapers. Again, you are yourself. You've lived a certain number of years. You have gone through a lot of experiences, and that was the source the speaker chose, which was well done. The speaker also, in the course of the speech, used the experiences of some others or other people that the speaker has dealt with, go briefly, to talk about how to add some weight to the speech. And of course, an impromptu speech comes across well if you're talking about something that you know, and you don't pick something totally alien, or you don't get something alien. Or look at it another way, you connect the topic to something that you know, so that you don't seem lost, you come across as confident, you deliver it well. Another matter of advice is, there are various attendees to the speech, so you would want to seek their comments and comment on that. Again, done very well by the speaker. And finally, there are various structures that you can look at: past, present, future, positives and negatives, and various other such frameworks, which again the speaker used past, present, future of her life, and the pluses and the minuses that the speaker has seen. But then there are some things the speaker could have done better. Speaker might have been well advised to add a couple of examples which were not only from the speaker's life. Given that there are 5 minutes in the course of the speech, possibly you could come up with examples outside of self. In seeking responses from attendees, the responses tended to be a little too long, possibly manage the time there well, because I think the speaker might have exceeded her own time. And of course the speaker did not stick with Jill, which I thought the speaker will close with Jill, but she closed with Jack. So all in all, it was an excellent impromptu speech, connected well, delivered well, balance it with some external examples, and you will knock the ball out of the park next time. Back to the talk.